Hey guys, it's time for our grand prize drawing. So a quick shout out to our awesome sponsors, Jag Hobbies, Difalco Design, AFX, Canary Bodies, Enzo Rings, Lucky Bob's, Bomb Ass Beef Jerky, Radical Bodies, Super Tires, HC Slots, Viper Scale Racing, and Midland Radio. So this is our grand prize drawing. So every entry, every car that you enter gets you an entry. So I believe we had like 137 or so entries this time. So all of your names are in here. And the more classes you enter, the more entries you get for this. So first up, actually, we'll do the mug first. So AFX mug, unused. First up, the winner of the mug is gonna be Keith Atkinson with the ID number yellow 60. So Keith Atkinson, you get the mug. Great job. Also too guys, if there's something you don't want and you want to donate it back, that's fine too. But otherwise, make sure you use the return shipping form, put in your race prize for that car or whatnot. We appreciate it. So next up, we are gonna do the Enzo Rings. So Enzo Rings, local company. It's a free ring voucher. They make a lot of cool stuff. They jumped on board. They're just right across the street from us. And we have Wesley Young, Y59, so yellow 59, Wesley Young. Also owns Bomb Ass Beef Jerky, so we appreciate you. I will set that over here for you. Next up, we have the AFX cap, okay? This thing is exactly what you would expect it to be as a free cap from a slot car company. So it doesn't say what size it is. Looks like it's multi-size, probably rubber or Velcro. So thanks AFX. Who is gonna get that one? Let's see. We have Elliot Watson. So yellow 2, Elliot Watson. So great job there, Elliot. You'll love this hat. I'm pretty sure Elliot is 6 years old, if I remember right. And he races in Top Fuel 4 gear and in Top Eliminator. So pretty cool there. Elliot will be super stoked. Next up, donated by Stuart Barber. So this is Midland Radio. It is a emergency alert weather radio. So pretty cool. This is a really cool prize. I love stuff like this because it's not just your typical slot car prize. So this is a really, really cool one. Let's see who wins it. If Stuart wins it, I'm gonna crack up laughing. We'll draw again if Stuart wins it. So John Johnston, R53, so red 53, John Johnston. You are the winner of the radio, which is pretty slick. We'll set that off to the side. Next up, donated by AFX Racing, we have one of the stake Formula One cars, number 77. I think that's Valtteri Bottas. If I remember right, I think he's number 77. So let's draw for him, for the winner. Kevin Stalker, yellow 45. Kevin Stalker, you are the new owner of the AFX car. So next up, also donated by AFX Racing, we have the Shelby Mustang, which I'm pretty sure that this thing is back ordered right now, which just kind of irks me because I have these on back order in the shop. But one of you guys is going to get it. So thanks to AFX for sending that. Let's see who we get. Ron Bono, green 6, Ron Bono. So that is a rental car that won that one. So pretty awesome there. Can't beat that. Rental cars are a $10 entry. They get you into the prize pool and just won a $45 slot car. So great job. Next up, we're down to our last 2 items. We have another Midland Radio, emergency alert radio. Let's see what we got going here. Cody Clark, red 68. Cody Clark, you are the winner of the Midland Radio. So pretty good haul for Cody Clark. I think he won a couple, runnered up a couple, got special prizes. So next up, limited collector series, HC Slots donation, GT40 in the metallic orange with white stripes. Very cool car. Donated by HC Slots, so we appreciate you. let's see what the winner is. Stuart Barber, Y15. So Stuart Barber, there you go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. We have a lot of fun doing this, guys. We appreciate you for watching, and we appreciate the sponsors.
Don't forget to fill out your return forms for return shipping.
Or make sure you get your return forms, or if you are going to do car storage for the next race. We probably won't race until the beginning of summer, so keep that in mind. But if you do storage, just do one storage until the next race. So we'll probably update that to where it's not month to month. It'll just be until the next race. Also make sure that you go through, you put in your car IDs for what cars you want returned to you. Follow the instructions. If you don't follow the instructions and you pay for something that you didn't mean to, we're going to consider it a tip. Like, we're all adults. We should be able to follow instructions. That also goes for your race prizes. So if you have your cars returned and you don't include your race prizes on there, they're probably going to stay here, and we're going to be reaching out to you saying, hey, why didn't you do that for the race prizes? But hopefully you guys had a good one. We will start shipping cars back next week for those that want them. And we will post the next race probably within the next 2 weeks. But like I said, it's not going to be till early summer. So hopefully you guys have a great one. We'll see you.